Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. What is widely expected, the Federal Reserve kept rates on the hold, which followed on with a very muted market. Nevertheless, still feel that the Australian dollar is still potentially looking towards that top side target somewhere around 63 cents, and with the 60-day simple moving average seen above, at 63.5. Keep an eye on those two levels. There's no doubt there may be a little bit of supply and could see the Aussie drop back towards 61.5. But overall, the small test up, and then we may see another test down. The euro also a little bit mixed, but still remaining above 104. I still feel there is potential to break above 104.60, but look on towards the 105 region. And reassess from there with any weakness support around 103.80. The dollar yen finally succumbing to some weakness and still remains on track towards a target of 153.5 and maybe even lower, given the fact the technicals are somewhat breaking down and a trend from the ADX is strengthening. We could be even looking as low as around 149.5 as a potential target. Overall, though, I am bearish dollar yen and still remain that way while the technicals are holding firmly. Sterling, a little bit mixed, but we've got a dragonfly doji that could see further gains into today's session on towards 125 to 126. I like the way this pattern is slowly unfolding into a bullish bias since breaking the broad downtrend. Turning to gold, I'm still anticipating a move up towards 2,800. With this strong rise, we can see the market likely to reach there and reassess. With any weakness, bargain hunters hovering around 2,740. Wrapping up with oil, the market still remains a little bit somewhat heavy. It did reach its target at 74 and I went neutral. I'm keeping an eye on this pattern just in case we see a little bit more extension to the downside to $69. But overall, it's holding at the moment. Let's see if we can get a bounce today. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look, have an interesting report and I hope you enjoy the great start of the day.